Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a master bedroom room tour today. After cleaning this space, a few of you suggested doing a room tour, so asking you shall receive. Come on in. Okay, this is the entrance to our bedroom, and there's our pup Solomon just lounging. So I thought I would start with our bed frame and bed area. We designed and built this bed frame custom to fit our space because we have kind of a weird space with this window over here and the door on the other side. So we made it to have a small little shelf on Kevin's side and then a long shelf to go underneath the window on my side to put a bunch of pots and plants over there. And then we made the headboard a shelf so I could put some stuff on the top of it back there and kind of create a cool design. And we wanted it to look modern and low to the ground and look like it was kind of floating, so we built a frame underneath and then the frame on top, and the bed mattress sits down in it a couple inches. I tried to lift this up to show you, but I couldn't really lift it, so you can kind of just see that it sits in there like that, and we can tuck our blankets in. So I really love how it turned out, and Kevin pretty much built this whole thing himself. I just painted the wood and held things together for him as he was screwing them in and everything, but it turned out amazing. And I love how I can tuck my books and stuff and under there it's pretty discreet, which is cool. And then here's a close-up of all of our pots on here. I just got all these, there's a dead one, at Home Depot and planted in them, and then a couple of those are from Hobby Lobby as well. And this is a cool feature that we built in the outlets to the side of the bed so we could plug in our lamp, and you can't really tell that they're there until you look closer. These cute monkey lamps I ordered off of eBay. I'll show the other one when we get to the other side. And then this is a basket where I just keep all my bedside table stuff in, so that it doesn't look all junked up or anything. And there's a closer up shot of me hiding my books under there. Okay, and then our bedding is neutral with just a small pop of orange. The pillows are, the big one is from Target, the middle one is from Etsy, and the small one is from Target as well, I believe. And then I always get our bedding from Target too. They just have cheap bedding and it's soft, and I like the jersey sheets. This white blanket is from my mom. It's one of those vintage blankets. I'm not sure exactly where she got it, but I love the fringe detail here. I think it's beautiful. Then moving on to all of the items on our headboard, the little peace sign hand and the vase with the face are from Hobby Lobby. The little vase in between and the matching one to the far left are both from Ikea, as are the frames, and I actually drew the artwork in the frames based off some artwork I saw online. The mirror is from Target. That basket is thrifted. The little gold pot and the other plant are from Home Goods. And then the little orange frame is a gift from my grandma. Little vintage frame thing that's super cute. And pop of orange again. And then here's the other monkey lamp. I love how it's different from the other one that's sitting down, but they're the same monkey. And you just screw it into the wall or wherever you're gonna hang it. And it's just super cool. Here's a wider shot of the whole area. When I'm designing something, I just gather things slowly as I see things that I like and that are in the color scheme. And then I just kind of throw them together and see how they fit and work out. And this one turned out pretty cute, if I do say so myself. These floor pillows that Solomon is resting on are from an Etsy shop. They are Turkish Kalim pillows, and I loved that I was able to find semi-matching ones that have the pop of orange that matches with the rest of the room. These are the pillows that Solomon loves to just lay on and be cute. Hi, boy. Then to the right of the shelf are these two closets that were built on at some point because they cover up two windows inside that I'll show you a little later. And they built this window seat in between two, which is cool. We have 4 closets in our room, but they're all very small, so you know I need 3. So on this one I keep my summer clothes in the winter, my winter clothes in the summer. And there's my Halloween costume down there. I was Albert Einstein. But anyway, that's really nice because it gives me a chance to purge my clothes each season, which I do. And then this opens up for storage, which is also cool. Then that pillow is from Target again, Hobby Lobby, and Urban Mining in Kansas City. And I'll show you that pillow a little bit closer up because it's just really pretty. Nice details. Colleen pillow. Vintage. And then in this closet, I keep all my shoes and our laundry basket. And Kevin built me all of those shelves for my shoes, which was really cool. What a handy guy. And then here's that window that I was talking about. That's in both of them. Our house is 110 years old, so it has a lot of really beautiful craftsman woodwork, which as a woodworker's daughter, I know is a small tragedy that it was already painted when we moved in. So we just decided to paint over it white and make it bright and fresh in here. And then we're moving on to this other corner of the room with our dresser and these amazing paintings done by my husband, Kevin Kinkaid. I will link his Instagram in the description of this video. This corner is basically done, but I want to put a lamp right there. And then, yeah, these paintings are incredible. I'll show you a close-up detail of them a little later, but we will never sell them because they belong here. This mid-century modern dresser and that matching one over there are both from Urban Mining in Kansas City, which is a thrift shop that we get a lot of our furniture from. These pots on the left are from an artist, I don't know who, I'm sorry. And then, of course, I don't always have books there, but I'm always reading about 4 or 5. These 2 pieces of pottery are done by our friend Jared May, and the middle one is from Hobby Lobby. And that succulent's doing awesome. Just keep a bunch of stuff in that big platter. Here's a close-up of this skull painting. And here is a close-up of this cool, I call it drip painting. Kev does do commission pieces if you want to hit him up. And yeah, these pieces inspired the entire design of our room with the pop of orange. Okay, moving on to this other dresser area. These dressers, like I said before, are mid-century modern. Hi! And a lot of our furniture in our home is mid-century modern. We just like the modern feel it gives, but with a mix of history. And they're also really usually well-built pieces of furniture that you can get for cheaper prices than a lot of new ones that aren't as great. All the items on this dresser are from different places. This is from Thailand. It's a little wax melter. This is just a plant that I stuck in a jar. I just find things and put them together and try to make them look cohesive and cool. By the way, all of the blinds in our room are from Graber Blinds. And then here you can see on this side of the room are our other 2 closets that are matching in the corners. And I'll show you inside of them, but in between there is that record cabinet that is from Urban Mining as well. And then inside you can see pretty small, but it's okay. I like to pare down my clothes each season anyways, like I mentioned before. but it is kind of hard to stuff a bunch of clothes in there. Anyway, I'll just do, sorry about the camera shifting weirdly like that. I don't know what was going on. Okay, and then here's just kind of a full sweep around the room so you can get a better idea of how it's all set up. I really just wanted something that was really different in here, but neutral and modern and classic and a touch of bohemian. So there's just a bunch of neutrals in here with a pop of orange here and there. And I really love how this room is right now. I'm always changing things design-wise, but I'm really happy with this and have been for a while. It's just got the dark, moody tones that I love mixed with neutrals and the pop of color, and it's just a really relaxing retreat for us. Thank you guys for watching this room tour today. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see another room tour in our house, leave in the comments below which room you'd like me to tour next. And please give this video a thumbs up and leave any comments or questions that you might have. And as always, hit that red subscribe button to support my channel and not miss any future videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.